Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about the HTML video tag. Okay. So and in my previous video we are done with the audio tag also. Okay. So here we will focus directly on this part actually. Okay. So if we write that video start tag, and then if we assign that width equal to 320 and height equal to 240, if you want initially that size of screen, then you can write width and height, and then controls indicates like a play button or pause button, or that volume, the increase decrease mute etc, then three dots for that playback speed and so many things actually, obviously because it is video. And here you all can see just like audio only, source and then src equal to, and you have to write the name of your video file, not the audio. So here in the same folder at the desktop you will find media2.mp4, this one. Okay, we have used that file, and type will be video slash mp4. And if you have some same thing but you don't know the extension, then you can add ogg also. Okay, otherwise you will find the error message, your browser does not support what video tag, if it is not working properly, if it is not supporting. Okay, and then close of body and close of html. So we'll just quickly execute this code, control s, and then demo.html. Yeah. So we are getting this play button and all that things. Suppose if I click on this play, and this is for full screen if you want. Okay, then this is that volume, mute, etc. Three dots, playback speed, picture in picture, etc. This is nothing but it is showing that 20 seconds done, 21 total length of video is 424. Play, pause, see, it is working. So this is how you can add a video to your HTML file. Okay, because wherever it is required, you can use video as well as what, audio. Thank you everyone.